Hello everyone. Today we will see multiple ways to authenticate Terraform with GCP. Basically, there are three ways that we can use. So first one is with username and password. We'll be using the gcloud auth application default logging. And the second way is by using the Google Cloud platform with Cloud Shell. And the last way, which is our third way, is with service account, and it is the preferred in production. So without wasting time, let's jump on creating the our first way. I'm gonna open my VS Code editor. So I created here three folders: first way, second way, and third way. And I have created main.tf file here, so we can start. So what we have to do, we need the provider. So which provider? Of course, the GCP. So I'm gonna here basically write Google Cloud Provider Terraform. So you can get it from here. This is a Terraform page, and you can click this use provider section, and you can just copy this one, and you can go to our VS Code and basically copy here. And I'm gonna make it more bigger so you can see it clearly. Okay, let's go to the settings, and here in the appearance, I'll make it 21 so that you can see it more clearly. Maybe more, 23. Okay, I think it's enough. Yeah, I think this is enough. So for the configuration part, what I'm gonna do, I have to write the project. Right, project, it will be my project. I'll take it from my console. This is my GCP. You have to authenticate with the free trial. I have two projects, my first project and Terraform. So I'm gonna copy the ID here and go to the VS Code and just paste it. And secondly, we need a region and zone. So region will be maybe US Central 1, zone also US Central 1A, and we will be using the block of cloud storage bucket. So we need to write the resource, right? Resource Google storage bucket, right? We'll name it GCS1, and for the name we need to write a bucket from user and password, for example, and we need to of course write the location because otherwise it will give us some error. So let's say US Central 1, right? Okay, so basically this is it. As you can see, we just copied the provider, Terraform provider, and we added this project in region and zone, and we created the Google storage bucket in our GCP. Using a Terraform, we included the name and location. So I think this is it. So we need to open the terminal, and I'm gonna make it more bigger. So this is TF with GCP. We are in the first way, right? We need to go to this CD. You can here go and open the git bash also, or command prompt. Okay, so I'm gonna say CD first way. Okay, and I'm gonna clear it. So we are in the first way, so we'd have to do Terraform init. Okay, Terraform init. It's initializing, and also we need to connect to our GCP account, right? So we'll be using the code that I have showed in the first way, right? After it initializes, we'll do just for now just CLS to clear this, and we'll use let me see the code. I think it's gcloud auth application default login, this one. gcloud auth application default login, gcloud auth application default login. So it will open in a new page, but we will need to copy this link here and open in the new incognito window. Just paste the link, and we need to write the email for here. I'm gonna write my email that I have entered with to my GCP, gmail.com. So you need to allow the access. Okay. So it say you are now authenticated with the gcloud CLI. So basically we need to, now we can go to our Terraform and say Terraform plan. As you can see, it's planning now, and in the final part we will say Terraform apply. Here, as you can see, Terraform apply, we need to say yes. Yeah, it's creating a cloud storage bucket. I think it's done. We need to go to our GCP account. We need to go to the cloud storage and buckets. And yes, as you can see, our bucket has successfully created bucket from user and password. So this is the first way. We will jump on the second way without wasting time. So let's go. So in the second way, we'll be using the Cloud Shell, GCP Cloud Shell. So just open your GCP account and go to the terminal. And first of all, we need to say PS1 and this dollar to make it more clear. And then now we need to create a new folder. Let's say mkdir, let's say GCP, or what else we can say? We can say anything like, let's say the cloud shell, and then cd cloud shell. So we need to create a new main.tf here, and inside we need to copy the one we created in the first option, like in the first way. This is the first way, so just copy the all or everything from the inside the main tf. I'm gonna copy and go to the GCP account and just paste it here, and I'm gonna say okay, this is it. So we can check it here via vi main.tf. But now we need to insert here and change the name because it will make a problem. So here I will come to the name bucket from not user and password. This will be from Cloud Shell this time. Okay, so just escape and to write WQ, write and quit. So now I think everything is ready. We can say just CLS first. I mean clear. We can say clear Terraform init, and then Terraform plan. Authenticate with your account. As you can see, the final part will be Terraform apply. Hopefully it will create. I'm gonna say yes. It's saying that requested bucket name is not available, so we need to change the name of the bucket, because it should be globally unique. So as you can see here in the line 16, the resource cloud storage bucket GCS1 required Google storage bucket GCS1. So let's change. Let's go to the nano or vi main.tf and change the bucket name. Let's say insert and cloud shell. I think it will be enough, I guess. WQ. And now let's try again. Terraform plan and Terraform apply. Yes. Yeah, as you can see, it's created now because the name should be the unique. So let's check it. I'm gonna open my Google Cloud account and go to the buckets, cloud storage buckets. And as you can see, yeah, the bucket from the Cloud Shell has created. So this is our second way. And our final third way, which is recommended in production, we will see it now. So this will be, that would be the second way. So now let's see our final third way. I'm gonna open my VS Code. This was the first way, and second way, as you can see that we created using a Cloud Shell. So our third way, I have created the main.tf, and I'll be just copying everything from here, from the first way, and just exit from the here and just paste it here. So here, what we are going to do, we use the service account. So for that, I think I have already created service account, but I'm gonna teach you how to create it. You have to go to the IAM and admin, and you have to go to service accounts here, and you need to create a Terraform GCP new service account. In my case, I have already created here, but I'm gonna teach you how to create. Just create a service account. Let's say Terraform with service account. Okay, service account, just the shorter version. Just create and continue. And for now, we don't have to create a role, but you know, in order to create a cloud storage bucket here, we need the cloud storage admin. Okay, for that, I'm gonna just write it here. Just cloud storage, cloud storage admin. I guess it's here, but it's not showing me here. But we can go here to cloud storage. Okay, cloud storage, cloud composer, cloud connections. Where is the cloud storage? Here, cloud storage, and I'm gonna say storage admin and continue, and just click done. Okay, and now we need to go, this is a Terraform with service account. Just go here and three dots, click the manage case, and here add key, and we need to create a new key. It will be JSON. We'll create it, and now we can see in show in folder Terraform JSON. We need to change the name, case.json, and we need to upload it to our VS Code. Just copy and paste it in the third way, okay? Not the second, not the first, third way, case.json. And now in the provider, in provider Google, we need to write credentials, and we need to write, what was that, the name? Let me do it this way. here. It was case.json, right? Case.json. So I think this is all about it. We have to open the terminal here, and we need to, now we are in the first way. I'm gonna cd and go back. I'm go cert way, okay, cls, and I'm gonna say terraform init. It's initializing now. We can open it more so you can see it clearly. Okay, I guess it will take about 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Okay, now we'll say terraform plan. Yes, and finally terraform apply. I guess I didn't change the name. It will create an error now. Yes, as you can see, the name. We need to change the name here. It was, I guess, the Google bucket from up, not we say bucket from service account. Okay, service account. So let's open the terminal again and say terraform plan and terraform apply. Just say terraform apply. Hopefully it will not create a problem now or any error it will create. Yeah, it's created now. Let's go to the GCP or GCP account. Just close this and go to cloud storage and buckets. Yeah, successfully our cert approach has been created successfully. As you can see, bucket from the service account. This was our first account, bucket from user and password, and bucket from the cloud shell, and the final was the bucket from the service account. So this is all about it for multiple ways to authenticate Terraform with GCP. So thank you very much, and see you in the next videos.